My name is Chris Edwards. I'm the Vice President of Business Services for the Somerset County Business Partnership. The reason why we decided to come to Stumpy's in Greenbrook is pretty simple. We want our volunteers and staff at the Business Partnership to have a good time, but also a way for us to engage on a level that we normally don't do during the workday. So it was a really great team building experience in the sense that we can all watch each other fail for a little bit and then kind of pick each other up and enjoy the experience as we kind of learn how to throw the hat.
My team was great and we worked together. We all had strengths and weaknesses, and we were coaching each other, so it was actually so much fun to be with all the people that volunteer and work for the partnership and contribute towards the community. I would definitely come back to Stumpy's. I would do a team building here. It was a really great out-of-the-box experience, something different. And it teaches you different skills than you have in sports or other activities, but a really great environment. You can bring your own booze.